this video we are going to see what is Internet of Things. So before that we have to know what is Internet. It's connecting people. Internet appears everywhere in the world, but it is still connection between people and people. This is the new dimension of IoT. We can get anytime, any place and anything. So this is the definition of IoT. The Internet of Things is also called Internet of Object, refers to wireless network between objects. Usually the Internet will be the wireless and self-configuration such as household applications. Internet connects all people, so it is called Internet of People. IoT connects all things, so it is called Internet of Things. It is independent communication between objects that help to optimize operations, reduce cost, boost productivity, and improve lives. This bar chart indicates the number of connected objects expected in reach by 2020. So this brown color indicates the people and this blue color indicated the things. So this blue color is increased in every year. By the 2020 there will be a 50 billion. IoT used in wearable tech, household appliance, smart home, public transportation, hospital and every kettle have all been using sensor to transmit data automatically. These are the some application of IoT: region office, house, transportation vehicle, virtual environment, equipment in public place, and biosensor taken by people. And this is the rise of IoT. 60% of US adults track their diet, exercise or weight, but Indians only 21% are currently using this technology. Google has developed a smart home network just for the IoT. By 2020, 90% of cars will be connected. The past 24 years, internet growth was fueled by human communication. The next 25 years of internet growth will be fueled by machine. So everything will be connected in internet. Smartphone, smart glass, drones, smart cars, smart watches and smart textiles. All these are connected through sensor. One of the biggest drivers of the IoT in increasing number of low cost sensor available for many different kind of functionality. This is the smart home use of IoT. And IoT plays a vital role in transportation also. And finally, smart city is done by IoT. Smart parking, smart bus stop, even garbage bins are connected. Smart street light. Sensors are the driving force of Internet of Things. These include vision, proximity, acceleration, electromagnetic, temperature, sound, vibration, and more. These sensors are used to connect with your surrounding. In our country, 2014, nearly 2 billion connected devices will be shipped. This number will be grow to nearly 8 billion for the year 2020. Overall, the world estimated $1 trillion could be made by the year 2020. Smart system and IoT are driven by the combination of these three: sensor, connectivity, and people and process. So sensor is used to need connection, and this is the connectivity. We can connect through Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. So finally, people and process will connected. So finally, IoT play vital role in home, transport, health, building, and city side. Thank you for watching.